don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am multitasking today, so y'all are going to get the knits grits. I just purchased a wig from the hair store, from my local hair store, and I'm about to get ready to try it on. This is currently what my hair looks like right now, so let's get to this. Okay, so this is the wig that I am going to be putting on today, and this is what color I have her in, which is not this color, so this color here. Okay, so this is what we're looking like straight out the pack. So let me just see if I can get to work. Okay, so I have flat ironed the back a little bit. I wasn't able to show y'all the process because I don't have my stand here, but I flat ironed it back, and so now I'm about to get ready to cut the lace off. Okay guys, so this is how the look turned out. So what I did was, and I'm going to show you all what it looks like with the scarf not around it, but what I did was I kind of blow dried it straight a little bit, that way it wouldn't be so tight of a bob back there. So I blow dried both sides. I didn't worry about blow drying the back. So let me take this off and show y'all the final look. Okay, so this is what we are working with. I did not worry about really laying a lot of baby hair down. I did like these two pieces in the front. Everything else kind of laid down on its own because of the glue. So I didn't worry about that. I did glue it around just so that it would stay secure, because I want my wig secured. But yeah, this is how it turned out. Let me know what you all think. I got this wig from my local beauty supply store, and it was $39.99. Like I said, it was just a really simple everyday wear wig. It was really easy. When I first put it on, I knew immediately that I kind of wanted to get the bump out of it, because it was like a really heavy bump. I knew immediately that I wanted to get the bump out of it. I thought my dog was in the front yard, y'all. I wanted to get the bump out of it. So yeah, this is what I came up with. Let me know what you all think in the comments down below. Let me know if you have tried this wig, of course. These lashes are from Lsglamz. This makeup look is created by me. I am doing makeup now, so make sure that you book me. I'll leave all of my information down in the description box below. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Deuces.
Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on.